folks, Mr. Raven here, and welcome back to 7 Days to Die. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh-oh. It's not 7 Days to Die. Hello, folks. Mr. Raven here, and... Hello folks, Mr. Raven here, and welcome back to KSP, aka Kerbal Space Program. Okay, so we built the Flea Mark 3.0 last time, and it couldn't get into orbit. Barely. It was so close. So let's try and do this again, but let's do it a little different. So we could easily, look up on the internet how much delta V does one need to get into orbit around Kerbal. And then we could build a rocket that had that. But we can also just, experiment, have some rockets blow up, have some missions or test flights and stuff like that. Because we are in a mode of the game where we don't have to worry about money. If you were playing this on Korea, I would advise you to look it up. just to get there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Notch. But let's just get this going. I hope it's not going, because I only have this big one in the not the tall one. I'm not looking for words. Let's get rid of that, and then actually maybe use the hammer. Yeah, so that should be big enough. I don't know if that's going to be enough. Let's do that. Let's see here. Can we? Oh, let's see. Oh, I got an idea. I don't know if it works, but let's try it. This might seem cheaty, but it is not meant to, but it does feel cheaty. It's just because I don't think we have the thing I think I need, if you know what I mean. Nudge. Maybe we should actually put a battery before I forget. Done it. Like that. Plenty of battery, by the way. I wouldn't do that if I was paying for it. Because let's see, if we take this into like something like that. Can we? Because it gives us so much power, so I'm not sure if it's going to be overkill. It probably is, so we should probably go 3 instead of... Let's see here. Oh. I actually meant that one. It's almost free. That's gonna be powerful. That's a lot of power. That's a lot of power. Is that cheaty? I don't know. Let's put this here instead. I don't know what you think about that. Is that too cheaty? I kind of like it. Let's go white. Of course. And then I can't go white. Oh, never mind. I'm not sure actually if I need that now. Let's do it anyway. Mostly because then you can see how it works. We got these. Normally I always do one rocket at one side thing. This is just a booster. One of those, because then I can tweak it and do stuff, and when it's completely as I want it, then I can copy it to 2 of the sides or 3 of the sides or 4 or whatever. What I need. There it is. The little hat. Let's go black. Do I need a little bit of struts then? Could go strutting it like this. Like this. What? Is it like this? Good. Oh, it's crooked. Oh, then it's crooked. That's things that's nice to know before you actually. It's crooked again, just to the other side. Is that straight? That's straight. Okay, now we can clear up the struts. Yes, like so. Now we can take the decoupler here and just put it here and say copy 4 times. Why? I do not know. Okay, then we can go 2 and copy and 2. I'm always getting it as I want. Let's move this down. The next thing is to clean up your staging. Needs to go down a little bit more. Like so. Okay, so these 2, that's fair enough. But all 4 should start up at the same time. And all 4 should be let go at the same time. Kind of also want to start all the 4 engine down below at the same time. And then these off, that one starts up, and the engine there starts up. Okay. Now we have 4,400 delta V. Well, we got something in between there. Because if we burned all the fuel down here, it would only be 2,600. I think this is too heavy to do much with, so I'm actually thinking maybe we should go a little reaction wheel up here. Just to give us a little bit of a little more authority. Anything else? No, let's call that Mark 1 at 3.1. Save. Let's see, is it Bob? There's on the pin. Yes. Save. Let's try it out. See how it goes. Kind of want to see, do I have... There's another tool that can help us, but I can't remember if we got that another MagTap thing. It should be... Nope. I think it's called utility or something, but we don't have that yet. So let's go to surface, Roll to 0. Execute. Ooh, it's shaky. Ooh, it's shaky. Look at that. It's so shaky. That's not good. That's not gonna be pretty, this one. Well, 3, 2, 1. I think I need to strut something. Okay, let's turn it a little bit here. Just 90. Okay, the solid is almost free. Or empty. Woohoo! That was close. Okay, I think we can go 45. Oh, I need to accelerate a little bit here. I think I can actually go a little more aggressive here. Still have 1,000 meters per second, so that's cool. We're up to 50 kilometers. Okay. Let's slow down a little bit. Oh, I'm 80. Oh shit, that's caught it. Still have 161 meters per second in the first stage. I don't have the authority to actually... Oh, I do. Nice. We need to go that way. Okay, we're up to 90 kilometers. So we way out to space. So let's just wait. Burning anything. As you can see, it's probably a little easier when we get a whole launch program that MechJobs helps us with, where we can set a lot of parameters. How high do we want to go? How much do we want to accelerate and stuff like that. So it's all gonna be a little more automatic when we get a little further into the playthrough. I think I might. It's hard to say right now. Right now it's. Oh, I need to accelerate. Right now I am just trying to get up into space. It doesn't have to be pretty or anything. We still have a little ways to go before it's gonna look a little more pretty instead of being really ugly. It's not the most pretty launch ever, but it doesn't matter if we can get into space. We're definitely gonna get further than we were before, because right now we are hitting 1600 meters per second. And we're still having 13 meters per second in our... I think we need to hit 2600 meters per second. I think we should be in orbit, but we're trying to get the periapse up to 770, and it's getting closer and closer to 0. But we're also running out of fuel, so it's not quite yet there. But let's slow down, because now it's actually pretty close. We go outside here, now we can actually see. Oop. Let's see, can we get it? No. The periapsis is always higher than the apoapsis, sorry, is always higher than the periapsis. I kind of like to see all the things that I normally have used MechJeb for is pretty much integrated. So it's more a thing that I'm used to use MechJeb. So, but you can kind of time warp to a place and do what you want. But we're actually in space now, and we are in orbit, so we're not gonna fall down. So we can stay in orbit as long as we have power. One of the things that we can get now I remember why I have the redux thing. It's because this tells me which biome I'm over. MechJet doesn't do that. Right now I'm over the water, so if I prograde. If I EVA now, and I took a EVA report, I am doing an EVA report from a space just above Kerbin's water. I already done that, so it's not a new. Oh, we got a shore, so let's try and do that. Oh, grasslands, sweet, 8 points. Boom, inside. Wait for another biome to get there. Grasslands. It's kind of hard to see because we're kind of moving behind Kerbin, so we don't have the sun to help us. Oh, there was shore, there was water. Okay, now we're over water. It's like a bridge over open waters. So that's just... we still got a decent amount of delta V, so we can also play with getting a little higher. Right now we are in low orbit, at a space low. We can also go in space high. Can't see a thing becoming. Is that clouds or is that land? It's shores, it's water, it's shores. Wait a minute, I don't think I have the shore. Ah crap, I wasn't fast enough. Wrong button. So I think I'm just gonna stay here doing some science and wait till we get on the on the sun side of the planet, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, I think I got what I needed, like what I can get here. I got the shores, I got the water, I got the shore, I got the grasslands, the highlands, and the mountain. The only thing I'm needing now is the North and South Pole and the tundra. I think that's the 3 last biomes I need, but I need an orbit that's not around the equator to do that. So right now we need to get a little higher orbit. The highest orbit is the apoapsis. That's up to almost 100, and I think I need to go to over 250. So let's time warp to periapsis. Ooh, it's an alert. I haven't seen that one before either. Damn, there's a lot of new stuff. That's neat. That's really neat. I like that a lot. A lot. Delete and close. So now we can go prograde. We already prograde, and then we can start to raise our apoapsis. Let's turn it a little bit so we can see what happens. If you right click, you get the information on the dot. So let's turn it on a little bit here. Raise it slowly. We can accelerate a little bit here. So let's go up to 1/4 of the speed. 150. Get a little higher. 200 meters. 200 kilometers. 250. Let's go to 300 just because then I'm sure there 3-1. Fair enough. That's fine. So let's add that and warp to next. Let's see how it looks. Wait, way higher up now, huh? Huh? Delete and close. Beautiful. Ah, I like the alarm clock. That's so neat. I don't think that's a mod I installed. I actually think that's a new thing in the game. So I like that. Let's EVA. Let's remove helmet. Oh no, that would be a stupid idea. So let's do a crew report from high over. Let's do all the science high over. Oh, that was a lot of science there. Lock pressure. Do the goo-goo. Goo-goo with the gaga. And let's do the temperature. Did I remember to do that last time before I went down? I can't remember. We got plenty of Delta V. I actually think we have enough to slingshot past the moon. Maybe I could practice the launch a little bit next time. Before next time. And then we can actually use this to slingshot around the moon. Can I actually do I have that already? I think I do. I think if I go, can I? Yes, I can. So we can always do that and then see. And then we can use, I think we can use this one to edit it. No. Okay, we don't have that yet. Maybe we can get that next time with the science we got now. But yeah, let's lower the periapsis so we can fall down to Kerbal. Periapsis is still in space. It's up here. Now we are under. So let's give it a little more. I think we need to go at least 50, maybe 45 kilometers. And there it is. Now we should exit. We shouldn't go. We shouldn't stay in space anymore. Let's quickly go outside because I kind of want to collect all the data just to be sure. Restore that. Restore that. Close the bay. Take all the data. Store the data. Jump in. Let's get to lower space. There it is. Lower space. I kind of want to just check. Did I remember to collect all of this last time? I don't think I did. What the heck? I really thought I did. That one I did. That one I did. That one I didn't. How about a crew report? Okay, I already did that. And EVA is over water, so that's already there. Let's collect. Collect. Restore and restore. Let's close this one. Okay, now we can just let gravity stop us and use our heat shield. Or we can use the last fuel we have to slow us down even further. It doesn't make sense to use it right now because we're still pretty high up. But if we warp to here, should be just, it's the dark side. Sorry guys, that wasn't planned really well, was it? Well, at least you can really enjoy the fireball. So we can let the heat do it, but we can also just use the engine to slow us down, get the apoapsis down. What just happened there? I don't know. Never mind. We might as well use the fuel to slow us down. We're coming in pretty hot. So we're 200 kilometers per second. Now we're under 2 kilometers out of fuel. Let's go to the side. Let the heat shield take it off. Let's see how much ablator we have left when we're done here. We're coming in with about 2 kilometers per second. So that's pretty fast. Let's see how much ablator we have when we're done. Crap. This is not gonna end well. We're coming in too fast. Ah! I don't know what happened there actually. I didn't save anything, so I just messed up big time. Lost a lot of thing. I can go back. I come back to launch. Redo. It says an hour and 26 minutes, but we sped up some things and stuff. So it's only been a half an hour, but I think I'm gonna redo it by myself and then maybe start the next video with me landing the right way. Because that sucks. That sucks a lot. At least maybe remember to save. I don't know why I came in that fast. It wasn't that steep. I don't feel like it was steep. I don't know what happened. Well, the rocket tipped over and then had the pointy end down, which is less resistant. So it didn't really bleed off the speed as I thought it would. But yeah. And it was kind of weird because we used like 550 meters per second with the rest of the fuel. But yeah. But that's what happens if you don't remember to quick save. So you can quick load. By the way, quick save is F5. And quick load is holding F9 down. So yeah. Learned by my mistakes. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please show your support by leaving a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And the last thing I want to do is just wish you all a great day. Have fun gaming. Bye.